This here's like Main Street, right up through here. And supposedly there's a coffee shop around here someplace. At the Hand Hotel in Fairplay, Colorado. One of the ranchers around here told me that this place might be haunted. So we're gonna look around, see if we can hear or see any inanimate objects move or crawl away. But this was a nice walkway through here. If you go down there, it takes you to the stream where you can pan. And this right here is Front Street. Oh, hi, kitty. See, look at that. It scared the crap out of me. I thought you were a bobcat. But here's Front Street in Fairplay at night. Come on. I wonder if you got a cat?
No.
Oh, we blocked him.
That's a kind of gray, big guy.
Yeah.
He wanders all over the place.
Oh, okay.
He lives clear by the Legion now, but he wanders.
He scared me. He just came out from underneath the car.
Yeah, I don't know how he's not gotten run over. He goes into businesses and sleeps on the bed.
How awesome.
Yeah, I don't know. She's a state patrol lady. She used to work for me when she was in high school. She's state patrol, was right up here, and that's her cat.
Wow.
She put a tag on it now. I was like, my name is Ollie, don't feed me.
Oh, yeah.
Chunky, everybody saying poor kitty.
And here's some baby clothes.
Pretty boy.
Oh, look at that puppy. What are you chewing on?
That's her pillow. That's her greeter pillow. She runs and gets that when people come in. Especially if the staff, she knows them. You go to Malonzi's?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
Yeah.
We've been there several times before. We got a place over there by Eagle Rock. And so we come up here once in a while, you know.
Is that your pillow?
Today we decided to get a hotel room.
It's his birthday weekend, so
Awesome.
instead of
And the wind's not blowing.
Yeah.
instead of sleeping in the freezing cold cabin.
One of the ranchers was telling us this place was haunted.
Yeah, there's a bunch of stories in there. Bunch of pictures. Quantum times has been here. Writing's got this picture of Amelia. She likes to hang out upstairs in room 2. Or room 10, I mean. Where are you? There she is. It's easier to see if I pull her out. Which end is up? Yeah, Sightings was here about 15 years ago. Haunted Times has been here.
Oh, wow.
Sightings has been here.
It's a shadow.
Look at that. But it looks like a lady in a dress.
We've got all kinds of stories in here, those books. We've been written up orbs in the rooms.
Yeah.
They've been written up a bunch of times by those different ones. And this is right here, if you ever want to look at it, it's always right there. Just a bunch of old stuff I put together over the years, old stories.
Wow.
And the old dredge boats that used to be here. They were here when I was in high school, they were still here, they left in
Yeah, when we
76.
first got our place, they still had them up here.
Yeah, 1976 is the last one left. They went to Argentina.
Wow.
I think it's back over here somewhere, so you can always find it with a yellow tag.
That is amazing.
Yeah, they were here for a couple days. They went all over town. They went to the grade school, because grade school's got ghosts.
Right.
And the old Fairplay Hotel when it was still operating.
Yeah, we were there once.
Oh, cool. I would like to.
A lot to read in here.
You don't happen to have hot chocolate, do you?
Yeah, we do.
Awesome.
Right back here.
Goes upstairs. Ooh, yeah.
Cocoa, sliced apple, and peas, and all are here.
There you go.
Oh, you did come back.
Wow. Make sure this thing's going the right way. There's the Hand Hotel over here. And they got these lights that are pretty cool. There's a something's squeaking. Oh, that's the gas meter. Down over here's the river. You can go panning.
You know, it's like,
Yeah.
I understand completely.
it's just like, well, they had I had a postcard made of these guys. This is my last three. That's Rusty Morgan driving right there. That's his sister Tuesday, and that's Pilot. He's the one I still hear barking at the front door.
Oh, wow.
That is awesome. I
That's
love
nice.
that.
She's my 6th golden.
Aw,
They're good dogs.
they are. Yeah, our puppy passed away a few years back, but I still sometimes like it. So she always used to sleep at my feet. So I still sometimes like I'm trying to go over her to get out of bed, and there's nothing there.
No, but it happens a couple times a month. I go to get up and I go, Pilot's not there. But I hear that because that's what he used to do. One bark at the door in the middle of the night,
Right,
you let him out,
he's
and one
ready
bark
to-
back in.
Aw.
She comes to the bed and paws me if she wants out. She's usually sleeping in the living room. She's got a kitten, Ivy. Not a kitten, she's 2 years old, but they're best friends. They sleep together.
Aw.
She's a heat seeker.
Oh, too. And started driving her pillow around.
Yeah, it's funny when staff comes to work in the morning, she runs to the kitchen, grabs it, and runs out to me.
You beautiful little girl.
Give me that sad eyes. Yeah.
No, you can't stop. She's a leaner.
Yeah. You just
Yeah,
stay
you.
right there.
Time to close this thing down, Hazel.
Yeah.
She's not used to working nights. We usually work days.
Good night.
We're used to being up at 5:30 in the morning, and in bed by 7:30 or 8.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, we're early bedtime people.
I'm a retired school teacher, so I was always up early. I get more done by noon than most people do all day.
Absolutely.
I love the mornings and nobody's around.
Oh, yeah, me too.
I can go fishing or skiing. I'm out early.
Absolutely.
We'll see you in the morning. Oh, look at this radio. Now let's see when we get this camera home if we might have seen a ghost or something. What's up there? What's that?
I thought it was free, but you gotta pay for it.
Oh,
I wanna look at this book. Have a good night.
Better see you in the morning, guys.
okay.
Here's your cup.
That's outlaw, so yeah, that's upstairs. But we do have, like you say, just look at the kitchen door. There's a fridge there for guest use and ice machine right next to it. And that's accessible 24 hours. And there's also a
Okay. Well, when we get this home, we'll look at the big video and see if we see anything. Anybody in a dress or whatever. You know, we could always go this way. It's pretty much dry.
I thought we were gonna smoke first.
Oh yeah. Well, there's a ghost in my head. Now what's coming down the street here?